Regulation before revelation. It's something I say often. You can know something in your head and your body will still call you a liar. I spent years doing logical work with people, CBT, style, reframing, identifying the trigger, naming the distortion, correcting the story. I am good enough. I'm not going to be rejected if I put myself out there. I don't need to punish myself for this. All true, all useful, all completely powerless in the moment your nervous system is triggered. And here's what nobody really tells you in the CBT world, and I respect the CBT world, and I believe there's a place for it, but the nervous system doesn't speak logic. It doesn't care about your reframe. When you're in a state of activation, your body is not listening to your insight or your revelation. It's listening to your history. And that's why you can know you're safe and still feel unsafe. That's why you can know you're enough and still brace for rejection. That's why the revelation doesn't stick, because the body was never in the room for the logic. It only responds to what is actually, it is understanding. And it understands breath and breathing and movement and visualization and repetition, felt safety over and over until the nervous system updates its evidence. And this is regulation before revelation. And you don't skip the insight work. No, you just stop expecting it to hold the weight it was never built to carry alone. The logic tells the story. The regulation is what convinces the body that the story is true. Your nervous system doesn't need to be convinced. It needs to be shown again and again and again. I hope this helps.